In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a beautiful wedding animation that includes an image of your choice using our ready-to-edit templates. You'll learn step-by-step how to upload your image, place it into the design, adjust the layers, and customize the animation so it fits your event perfectly. First, click on Add Animations. Now choose the Wedding Touch to start animation category, since that is what we'll be creating. Choose a template that already includes an image in the animation. We always recommend loading an animation template with layers for easier editing. First, click on the image so we can remove it and replace it with your own. Click Delete to remove selected layers that are no longer needed in your design. Click Add Templates to upload your own image. Click Upload to add your own image file from your device. Once the image is uploaded, it will appear in your workspace. Click on the image to add it to the editor. Click on the image and start resizing it to fit perfectly to the size you want. Once you're satisfied with the image placement, proceed with editing the rest of the layers. Keep in mind that some layers may appear behind your image, and I'll show you how to bring them to the front in the next steps. Click anywhere outside the animation to deselect your image layer. Whenever you want to deselect a layer, simply click there. This is where your layers are located. As shown in the animation, the Touch to Start text layer is currently behind the image. Click on the Touch to Start layer once. Click Bring Forward as many times as needed until you see the layer appear on top of the image. Now that the full text appears on top of the image, click on the text in the animation. Move the text to the position where you want it to appear. Now double-click on it to adjust it. Now select it and edit the spacing as needed so it fits perfectly. Now, as mentioned earlier, click anywhere outside the animation to deselect the layer. Now click on the Touch to Start layer and reposition it as needed. Now let's update the names so they match your event perfectly. Click on the Names layer. Now double-click on the Names layer and change the names to match your event. Keep in mind that if the names are longer, you can always adjust the font size on the right side where it says Font Size. You can highlight the entire section and begin typing, or just select it and type. Click outside the animation area to view the layers. In this case, the layer is behind the image layer, so I need to bring it forward. Click on the layer labeled July 2nd, 2022. Now click Bring Forward as many times as needed. In this case, you can keep clicking until the button turns gray and can no longer be selected, which means the layer is now at the front and fully visible. Now click on the Date layer to continue editing it. Double-click on the date and update it to match your event. Click outside the animation to deselect your image layer. Now move your date layer into the desired position. If everything looks good, you can now click Publish to save your project. Please note that non-members will be redirected to the payment gateway for a one-time purchase. Once the animation has been saved, you will have the option to download it, re-edit it, go to your workspace, or create a new project. Click here to open the Workspace menu for additional options. In your workspace, you can click on the three dots to access more options, such as rename, edit, delete, and share with admin if you need help with any adjustments beyond your knowledge. Give your project a name so it's easier to find later in your workspace. For example, Dawn and Amanda's Wedding. Thank you for watching our tutorials. You can find more helpful videos on our YouTube channel by simply clicking the YouTube button anywhere on our website.